So here's how you can delete all iPad photos at once. Let's talk about it. If you are new on the Foxtecc channel, well, here I just try to help you out with your tech, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. On your iPad, you open up the Photos app, and you have more options, of course, but I recommend you to go to the Library section, go to the All Photos, and then tap on the Select button. Obviously, we're not going to tap on all of the individual photos one by one, but I can just grab the image from the corner and just drag it toward the top, right? So it might take a second, but you can see that it lets me very nicely select all of my images on the iPad for me to work with. Naturally, if you have like thousands, perhaps you will have to do it in 2 takes, or even select them all at once, depends on how it works on your device. But once you have all of your items selected, you can tap on the trash icon at the bottom, and all of your images will be moved to the recently deleted folder. They will stay there for 30 days, but you can also open up the recently deleted, scan your face to get inside, and then you can just delete all of the photos in here, and they are now permanently and fully gone from your device. This is something which is not reversible, of course, so just be careful with it. But at the end of the day, that's how it works. So let me know in the comments below if it worked for you. Stay tuned by subscribing so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later.